Hello again, everybody. In this video, I'm going to be re-recording my Fast Intentions exhaust. I had done this video before, but unfortunately the audio recorder that I was using, namely the built-in microphone inside the GoPro, wasn't that great, picked up a lot of noise, so I'm trying to see if this is going to improve the sound at all. The exhaust that I'll be recording today is the Fast Intentions exhaust for the 370Z. This exhaust has 18-inch resonators on the catback, and it has resonated test pipes. So let's get to the recording, starting with a cold start.
Le vice musique.